Díag heis mahornaí agus a feistíon seachtain seo tá jog obair cabbageol fios a seacht, Turas Scoile go dtí an bhfeirim agus it's our school trip to the farm agus an seachtain seo tá muid ag dul go litir chanan ar Turas Scoile go bhfeirim lurgi brac agus be muid fecinn ar codst in the ruddy seo sa picture. This week we're going on our school tour to Lurgy Brack Farm in Letterkenny, and we will be seeing some of these animals and different items around the farm. So clackley the vocla nuinish, practicing your new words, and we'll see how we go, boys and girls. So let's look at the first word. It's an bhfeirim, the farm. Bá, cow. Capel, horse. Muck, pig. Kira, sheep. Shicking, chicken. Egg feckinch, watching. Egg iha, eating. Nahamviha, the animals. Egg feckinch, egg watching at the gate. Bus, Giata, gate. Agus Ian, bird, or this is a spidjoke in this case, it's a robin. Agus tan na múntri agus na pastí leg an bhfeirim, the teacher and all the children are on the farm. Agus tá siad a hasach, they're happy. Agus tá siad ag togail picnic we faoin air. They're taking a picnic out in the air. Agus tíam agus fecim gohfuil Elfie is tís a sciobal. A sciobal is a shed. I see that Elfie is in the shed. Agus tá Oshin or Sean Gomaleishgil ag torch bia done and capel. He's giving some food to the horse. You could say ag tugu fair, giving grass, fair, or just ag tugu bia. You could say ag tugu no ag torch, giving. Agus fuair siad an bus scoile go dtí an bhfeirim. They got the school bus to the farm. Agus fecim chumani was. I see the bus driver. Agus fecim gohfuil an bhfeirim ionta gnóthach. It's very busy. Agus gohfuil gatainna ag bunch salt as a lá ar an Turas Scoile. Everybody's really enjoying their school trip day. Agus an seachtain seo tá muid deanú Ishtí don Scoile bunch leis an poster. We'll listen now to the story about the poster.
Turas Scoile go dtí an bhfeirim.
A school trip to the farm. Turas Scoile go dtí an bhfeirim.
Tá Sean agus Siofra ag an bhfeirim.
Tá Sean agus Siofra ag an bhfeirim. Sean and Siofra are at the farm.
Tá Bó, Capel, Cuira, Muck agus Shicini ar an bhfeirim.
Tá Bó, Muck, Kira, Capel agus Shicini ar an bhfeirim. Okay, there's a cow, a sheep, a pig, a horse, and some chickens on the farm.
Tá Siofra ag fécint ar na hanmhaithe.
Tá Siofra ag fécint ar na hanmhaithe. Siofra's looking at the animals.
Thug Sean bia don chapel.
Hug Sean bia don capel. Sean gave food to the capel, to the horse. So sin an scíal a bhreithíon an seachtain seo. Inis ar nan don seachtaine, our poem of the week, Cuairt ar Éirim, a visit to the farm.
Cuairt ar Éirim. Thug mé cuairt ar Éirim inné.
Hug me cuairt ar Éirim inné. I visited a farm yesterday.
Honnig mé Bó is thula mé.
Honnig mé Bó agus thula mé. I saw a cow and I heard.
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo, moo.
An lay.
Ar fáu an lay for the day.
Ar Éirim inné.
Hug me cuairt ar Éirim inné. I visited a farm yesterday.
Honnig mé Lacha is thula mé.
Honnig mé Lacha is thula mé. I saw some ducks and I heard.
Vach, vach, vach.
Vac,
Ar
vac,
fá
vac.
an lay.
Ar fáu an lay for the day.
Thug mé cuairt ar Éirim inné. Honnig mé cearc is thula mé.
Hug me cuairt ar Éirim inné. Honnig mé cearc is thula mé. I saw a chicken and I heard.
Chuck, chuck, chuck.
Chuck, 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 fá an lei for the whole day.
Thug me cuirt éirim inné. Chunnig me asal is thula me.
Thug me cuirt éirim inné. Agus chonig me asal is thula me, and I saw a donkey and I heard ee-ah, 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 fá an lei for the day. Now sin ar nan na seachtaine agus ar óran na seachtaine, our song of the week is Rose an Ferrimór, Rose the farmer.
Ross an Ferrimór. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O.
Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, Rose the farmer has a farm.
Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Agus bo moo moo, bo moo moo, bo 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 moo moo moo. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Agus queera-ba, queera-ba, queera-queera-ba ba ba. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. Agus muck oink oink, muck oink oink, muck 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 oink oink oink. Tá ferrimig Rose an Ferrimór, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Mush, so seo iad ar bhocla nua, buinte ar an tíime don an seachtain Turas Scoile go dtí an bheirim, a school trip to the farm. So bunaí sult as our Turas Scoile. Let's enjoy now our school tour, boys and girls, agus bí cinse go bhfuil cefnicí maithe agad acu done lá. Make sure now that we all have lovely memories of the day. Gur a míle maith give slán.